video, I'm only going to shout out. So make a shout out to my followers. So I have this two ring. I'm gonna put two rings. And also an anklet. So okay, so for today's video, I have here some choices for my two rings. So it's okay, I'm going to shout out who commented in my post section for photos. So I'm here in my post. So I posted yesterday. Good day everyone, time to change my toenail polish. Suggest down below in the comment section. So I would like you guys to suggest what toenail polish that I have to put on my toenails today or later. So I have here some comments. Whatever you wear is gorgeous. How about pink? So okay, I have pink here from Rondell Bono 7347. Hi Rondell. So I'm gonna make a first time I make a shout out to my followers. So I hope you like it. And okay, shout out. Shut up. Shout out. Okay. Shout out to Christian Wenzin 1106. That green pedicure is so hot. Well, I have here. And to Laylo Milikin. Laylo Milikin. I'm not sure if I say it right. 7598. Electric blue. Electric blue. I have to search what kind of electric blue. Like dark blue. That's electric blue. So I have to check. So shout out to you. And then next. So for now what we do is going to shout out, and then after this, so we're gonna pick color here for my next toenail polish. So shout out to City Disco. City Disco. Wait. City Discotheque 78. Hello to you, and a great photo of your always beautiful hair. Metallic Pink Fuchsia by Midnight Eye. Or Midnight Eye. The next is Light Blue by, some of these colors is not in my storage. So I have to skip this metallic pink. I don't have this metallic pink, but I have pink or fuchsia pink. Okay, next is Rick Dog 73. Pink, French or blue? Yes, I have French pink. And then by Hakim Gordon, if I 8QZ. I'm reading like an elementary grade. Okay, so very pretty. Barry Hamilton 7254. Warm pink, please. Warm pink. I have to check if I have that. But I have pink. So I'm not sure if that's ocean pink, warm pink. I have to check what is warm pink. Well, anyway. So next, I like arcs. Okay, you like arcs. So here's the arc for you. So next time it's nice that if we can make a live video. I only have to do shout out here and this kind of position. Only it's very noisy in my background. And then next is at B100 yourself 6 so black with heart emojis. So I have black, yes. Next is shout out to David Stoffregen. Purple, please. I have purple, but for now, still green. Next is David Stoffregen. Okay, done. Roger Moore, 27. And Stephen, 1464, sky blue. So, my bracelet is sticking into my dress. Okay, done. So now, it's time for me to choose who's the luckiest person that I have to film next video for my toenail polish. So it's in here. I'm not watching. So okay, I'm gonna pick now. Very excited. Okay, I have to pick one. So this, okay, I will just pick one. Then after this, I'm gonna change toenail polish, but I will not upload a video today. I will just do shout out, and in my next video, I'm gonna do the toenail polish with your name shout out in the video. So okay, it's time for me to pick. I'm gonna drop it in the table and I'm not gonna look, so I'm gonna pick one. Okay, here we go. We have this. Let's see who's the luckiest. Who's the lucky guy? Oh my gosh, it's pink French. So I have to color pink with white tips. So that's pink French. Okay, here it is. So I have to come closer to you first. I'm gonna show you. So this is what I picked today. Pink French. But then, don't you worry, because I'm still gonna do the ruffle ruffle wobble for this next. I'm gonna keep this one for the next video, but I can also do 2 polish at a time. But yeah, I do it one by one, maybe every other day. And then of course we're gonna pair it with the heels after it's dry. So after this video, you can also comment down below what do you want me to wear for a walking video. If you want me to wear stiletto heels or flip-flops. So guys, that's all for today. And so okay, this is the luckiest guy from Pink French. So I will check who's the guy here. Pink French. Oh, it's Rick Dog 73. Pink French or blue? I have blue, but I can try this Pink French. Since I always put blue colors in my toes. toenails. So, better luck next time again. Bye everyone. Love you all. So, I'm gonna show you my toenails for the last time.